G'day! In today's video I'm opening up an Asus Vivobook M3500Q is the model number of this one. I'm going to be using a T4 screwdriver to take out the various screws that are in here, and I want to see what can be upgraded in this one. Also, I will point out the difference in screw length if there is any. So far there will be. And we might need a T5 instead of a T4. Some of these screws aren't wanting to come out. Two chunky ones seem to be the outer hinges. Stay on there. That one doesn't want to spin, so we'll need a T5, I believe. And the ones at the front do look to be smaller screws. Now, I've heard rumours that this particular one can't have the RAM upgraded, which sucks because this particular model does have 8 gig, and a bit more would be better if possible. But we'll find that out for sure soon. There we go. Weirdly, that one is another T4 screwdriver. There we go, that one came out. So those screws like that, I'm going to grab a corner and try and pull it up. No, doesn't want to leave. Grab a plastic pry tool, try and make a seam, and get into it like that. Go, and we're in. And looking at that, sadly, we cannot be changed. We have the soldered RAM along here. Do need a bit of dust clean out. We do have a removable and replaceable NVMe drive over here, which with the machine switched off, we should be able to replace. I'll go through the motions and the steps of showing you how to replace that one. And while I've got it open, I'm going to give this a dust blowout as well. Certainly looks like it needs it. So we should be able to use just a small Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the NVMe drive. It should lift up like so. When it's lifted up, we should be able to walk it and wiggle it backwards, like that. We have a single notch here and a single notch there. They correspond to one another. This one's a 512 gig SK Hynix drive. Not sure particular what model, doesn't really matter too much. That slots back in, push down. One screwdriver or screw that back into position, and then from there this can go back on top. So sadly we're not an overly upgradable machine. We can upgrade the NVMe. If the charging port gets damaged on it, you will have to take it out and replace it. Take out the main board and replace it that way. It's not exactly convenient, can be done. Sadly, not very upgradable. Let's get this back together. So put the bottom cover back over, push down, should click it into position, like so. Then we should be able to use the T4 screwdriver to put these ones back in. And this one over here too. Now these two larger, thicker screws, if I can get them out of there, go into your hinges. Same with this other corner. Go. This one here goes into the middle. The 4 smaller ones go at the very front. Also, this particular one, if you do damage the display on it, being it's an OLED display, it will be probably rather expensive to replace, as this one's got a 1080 resolution OLED display. I'm not sure what this peak brightness is, but that does have me intrigued. It was one of the reasons why I ended up purchasing this one. It cost me around about 350 Australian dollars, and I'm curious to see how that OLED will go. And put this one in down here, like so. proceed from there. Anyway, hope this helps you. Sadly, as I said, not upgradable, but it's okay. Bye.